Gentleness is not weaknesses, it's real strength. Madali lang kasing sumigaw, magalit at sumagot ng masakit. Pero hindi lahat kayang piliin ang katahimikan, ang pasensya at ang tamang salita. Gentleness is strength under control. It's when you know you can break someone with words, pero pinili mong magbigay ng pag-asa. It's when you have reason to fight back, pero pinili mong magpatawad. A gentle heart doesn't mean tahimik ka lang palagi. It means marunong kang umintindi, marunong kang magdala ng kapayapaan, at marunong kang magmahal ng hindi nananakit. And remember, the world may respect power, but it will always remember gentleness. Kasi ang tunay na lakas ay hindi kung gaano ka kalakas sumigaw, kundi kung paano ka manatiling payapa at mahinahon sa gitna ng kaguluhan.